Hey everybody, come with me. We are going on an adventure to a monster, and I do mean monster, estate sale. This one's huge by Parkway Group. Let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm starting right here, and look at this punch bowl. What a value at $8, and we're not even on the 50% off day, which, you know, usually they save that for the end of your estate sale. We have some old-fashioned cookbooks over here, just showing you a little bit of where we're starting off.
VHS, $2.
What's that? Looks like an electric heater up there. Oh, look at those cute people right there. Hey, let me close up on that. This shelf is $60, everyone.
Train
Very
sets,
beautiful.
80, that's not bad.
Vintage curio shelf. Okay, we're gonna just look at a few things here. Did you see the Coca-Cola clock up there?
Yeah. This typewriter, $10.
No thanks, I didn't do well in that class. Oh, I like that. Established 1776.
Ends on there.
$25, everyone, not bad. And for you Vegas fans right there, Las Vegas. You just never know what you'll find. Look at that mask, everybody, for $1. This cute dog just begging for a home. Look at these mugs. I kind of like those for sure. Let me see if I can find one I like. I may have a mini haul. Who knows? Stay tuned. For all you tool lovers, I don't know what I'm looking at, but you probably do. I gotta tell you, that was thoughtful to put these wind machines in here because I'm enjoying it. Okay. You never know who you'll meet at an estate sale. Look at this kitty.
Yeah, she's like, what is this? It's some kind of grill.
Well, there's that guy from Frozen. I know enough of that. I haven't seen the movie, but I know what it is. Oh, we have a turtle. And we have a frog. And look, the geese are making an appearance.
If it did rain last night, 'cause we have
Look at the old wagon wheels. I like those. Happy Halloween, everybody. That's coming up. Oh, look at the frog. So much. Let's go see how much our wagon wheel cost. These are so cool. A friend of mine has these in his yard. These are cool. $100.
Oh man, flower pots for days. Mom, flower pots. You could get a couple for the...
This painting is stunning. It's called the Marina.
The city has not called me back yet, so maybe they're just going to wait and come by later.
Very nice. at this vintage microphone. Very cool.
That's why you couldn't do it, is I had to get the steps to it. It was way. It wasn't just sort of high. You can put it on a shelf here if you want to, so you don't have to carry it around. I think I'm ready.
It was him. It wasn't him. And now he's grown. He's like,
You always feel like you're walking through someone's life and meeting them without meeting them. It's so interesting.
oh, how cute. Cute.
Let's see. Oh my gosh. Tons of glasses.
I don't know what kind of food, but we'll have some of this.
Okay, guys, look at this really old phone. They used to actually be like that.
I'll take more pictures at the end of the day.
Is that your backpack?
No, we're selling that backpack.
Oh my gosh, encyclopedias.
I'm getting those pumpkins.
Oh, pumpkins are good. You like pumpkins, Luis?
Do I like pumpkin?
Oh, I like that bell.
I
I don't know if y'all can see that. The bell for 25, that's pretty cool.
Get out.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have people that come and they're with their phone and they're shopping for
Kind of
someone
like
who
you.
couldn't
Kind
come.
of like you and Luis.
Only you don't listen.
They're shopping for someone who couldn't come. The bank's open right now. It's 9:48.
Jordan, I go see my favorite. Jordan.
Those giant ones. 6
Pieces here.
You need some help, Dawn?
No,
Oh,
Humpty Dumpty. This pig is really cute. These old glasses. We have a squirrel.
Somebody loved it. Look at it. Yeah, but it looked like it went through the dishwasher.
Look at all these pans. I love this.
Do that. Anyway, it's not. That is an awesome buy right there. I like that too. Yeah.
So pretty.
Okay, this
That
one
was
is
made
called
in
Canal
the
Cafe
80s. I was like, I want one.
for $120. That is beautiful. Absolutely love that. The Ten
That's
Commandments, in
what I was
case
like,
anyone
I'm so
forgot.
glad that one, but that's funny, you know.
Oh, look at all the trolls. Oh my goodness. My daughter used to collect these. $5 each unless otherwise marked. Look, they had a whole bunch of them. Oh my goodness. Gosh. She had so many. Still does. Oh, look at the cute kitties. Those are adorable. I love that china. We have an old violin right here. This china, $100 for a 44-piece set. Not really familiar with this, but I will show it to those of you that know what you are looking for. And again, this is the Parkway Group estate sale here. Copper shelf, that can't be very old. Here's a gravy boat for those that do gravy.
Are you serious?
Look at that shelf.
You need to get this one. I love trolls. I collected these when I was a kid. I still have all of them. Yeah, I even had
This china cabinet is beautiful for $175. If I had a nice home, I would definitely buy that. It's gorgeous.
And then I have the ones that
All right, we have
Yeah, you'll have some of those too.
Again, this is a quality oak cabinet, $120. Absolutely beautiful for that. Chairs are $80 with the ottomans. Oh, this is pretty over here. $300 for that set. Here's an old chair, $90. We have a puppy.
Mom, you need this one.
And look at this. I knew it was the Mona Lisa. It is $150. Signed by Neil Farkas.
Mom, I found you a troll.
Look how cute the poodles are. We're actually selling the table. Let me see how much these puppies in the window are. They are $40 for the pair. And we're going to just move right. Oh, look at this beautiful Indian doll. My goodness. Comes with her own chair and dream catcher. Very nice.
Oh my gosh, the Taco Bell dog.
She did find me a troll, everybody. Look at this. Are you ready for adventure? He looks like he's had a few. All right, we have some clowns.
Some interesting artwork in here.
Oh, I remember those metal sculptures. Look at the beautiful carousel boxes. Oh, this one that is shaped like an egg is stunning. Oh my word. Somebody collect. Hey, the cowbells. Let's see this. Yeah, they work. Cowbell. Cowbell of poverty, they say. Bells for days. There are so many cute things. Look at these wooden shoes. You don't see those every day, that's for sure. Huh. Interesting estate sale.
Oh, okay. I bet she'll let you.
Somebody liked bells, that's for sure. All right, here is the Amari style lamp. $30 on this gorgeous lamp. And look, everybody, Marilyn Monroe. Absolutely beautiful. The legend of the sand dollar. I love that. Very nice. I love this mailbox. I just love it. Hi, everybody. I'm seeing my neighbor in that hat.
Mom, this is a phone.
Look at these.
I just want one of those.
Very cool.
It's a phone. A Coke phone.
I love that dresser. It's beautiful. I don't know if y'all can see this, but that whole dresser is $160 on day one. Very nice. All right, we have entered the building where the hats are. They are $2 each. I see quite a few. Cavalins. This one is kind of pretty. Let's see what it's about.
Oh my god, Energizer Bunny slippers. Energizer Bunny.
That's funny. The shoes are $4. I have no idea what size they are. There's what she was talking about. Aren't those cute? And we have a bear sitting up in a closet.
With a cute chair.
Lots of clothing. The shirts are $4. Everything here is very reasonable. Bears. Oh, those are cute. Wait a minute. Are those attic? This is absolutely beautiful. It is $60, called a landscape painting, and lighthouse. My daughter loves those. There's daughter. She loves those. Oh yes. Wait. Lots of old license plates. I got a few of those myself. Look here. My husband liked Dale Earnhardt. Oh, an old Ford. Look at that. Very cool. You can see some of my daughter's haul. She found 3 trolls. Of course, she's who got me into trouble with the one right there. Wasn't that an amazing estate sale? It is my favorite so far. The Parkway Group put this on. And if you're ever here, Parkway Antiques Furniture and Thrift Shop in Ardmore, Oklahoma at 15 Sam Noble Parkway. Be sure to drop by. They're also on Facebook. And I can only imagine what it's like to wander through their store after seeing this fabulous estate sale. Thanks for watching, everybody.